Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update fail to install error with the error code 0x80240034, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the PC and try again. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. The second solution is to delete the files from the software distribution cat to folders because these are cache files. So I have a script for you and I'll share it in the description section of the video. All you need to do is copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Paste the script here and hit enter. The rest of the job will be done by itself. The next solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down, click on Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to clean up temporary files and system files. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar and click on Disk Cleanup. Click on OK. And then check all these boxes here and then click on OK and then click on delete files. And then the next solution will be to disable antivirus, at least during setup. So if you have any third-party antivirus, here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps in the right pane. Now scroll down and find any antivirus on the system and uninstall it. I mean third-party antivirus. Windows Defender is good enough. And the last one is to run an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Now type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.